Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to link your Dead by Daylight Epic Games account to Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to store.steampowered.com. Go ahead and log in with your credentials. This step is important because logging into your Steam account first will make the connection process much smoother and help ensure everything links correctly without any issues. Now open a new tab in your browser and head over to account.bhvr.com. Once the page loads, log in with your credentials here as well. This is your behavior account dashboard where you can manage all your Dead by Daylight account connections and settings across different platforms. After logging in, take a look at the left panel of the screen. You'll see several menu options there. Click on Connections. This section is specifically designed to let you link your Dead by Daylight account to various gaming platforms, making it easy to access your progress and content no matter where you play. Next, scroll down through the list of available platforms until you find Steam. Once you locate it, click on it to begin the linking process. This tells the system that you want to connect your current account to your Steam profile. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the action. Click Confirm to proceed. This step ensures that you intentionally want to link these accounts together and prevents any accidental connections. After confirming, a new window will pop up. In this window, click Link Account. This final action establishes the connection between your Epic Games version of Dead by Daylight and your Steam account, allowing you to access your game progress and content across both platforms seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Dead by Daylight Epic Games account to Steam, and you can now enjoy your game on either platform with all your progress intact. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.